Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to get uBlock Origin back on Google Chrome. uBlock Origin was removed from the Chrome Web Store. However, the original developer has created a lighter version called uBlock Origin Lite, which is still available. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Then search for uBlock Origin and you will see two different versions. But make sure you install uBlock Origin Lite from the original developer. Once it's installed, open the extension and choose the filtering level that works best for you. After that, you can enjoy a cleaner browser experience with fewer ads. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.